Welcome to TBCS. I'm Tanvir. Today I'm here for explaining IGC Physics past paper. Before explaining the question, I need to draw very carefully. This is a ship. This is the anchor of a ship. You know that anchor is for settling a ship. And this anchor is being controlled over the ship, right? Without introduction, without talking, I am just going to the question. This is the clever. You always try to go to the question because there are many data and there are 3, 4, 5 questions. In the first question, this is being asked, what is the moment? What is the moment? The moment chapter. Moment over a stick. This is a stick. Okay? This is pivot, support. And over this stick, if the force would be applied here vertically, and if this is distance, at this point a moment is felt. So moment is equal to distance into force. How is the distance and how is the force? But for tackling this anchor here, this 6 person, this is being taken from the past history, because in the past year the ship was being controlled like this. This 6 person is exerting force, but here the force is not being exerting vertically. The force is being exerting rotating horizontally. Okay. In final exam, the same phenomena will be given in a different way. In book, this is being taught as a vertical force. Okay, clockwise force or anti-clockwise force, but here the force is being applied. You are watching with a rotation. This is the newness, innovation. So for tackling this anchor, how much force is being applied? For getting the moment here, I am writing the answer now. For getting this moment, this is basic. For getting this moment, I need to get the force being applied by the one person. One person applying 650 Newton. Okay, and distance has been given in the picture. The distance of one stick is 1.2 meter. Okay, so the result, and there are 6 people. How many people? 6 people. So result will be 5400. At the time of writing moment, you have to write Newton meter, because this is the unit of moment. Okay, done. I am going to the second question. That gravitational potential energy gained by the anchor as axle being rotated as a complete revolution. I am now discussing the second question. Second question. Firstly, I want to give the basic. This is the 6th floor building. Bricks is being taken up to the 6th floor building. Then, in this bricks, 3 meter will be activated. How is the mass of the bricks? How is the gravitational force of the bricks? What is the height of this 6th floor building? This is the way of getting GP, gravitational potential energy. Okay, and now this anchor is being taken up by these 6 people. So what is the weight? What is the mass here? Mass is given 350. You are watching. So 350 into G always 10 for the earthly affair, and H, the anchor, and this over the ship, the distance also given. Where is the distance given? The distance, you have to search. Yeah, that's 160 centimeter distance is given. So for matching, here that is 350, 350 kg, that is 10 newton. So this 160 converted into 1.6 meter. This is your duty, taking the same data. So last of all, the answer, this is your duty, making the similarity. Okay, without making the similarity, you may not get the expected answer. This is your duty for making the similarity. This is similar, that is kg. Okay, that is kg, that is newton, that is meter. Now the answer is 5600 joule, because the unit of GP is joule. Okay, now the second question also solved. I am going to the third question. Directly, the work done by the Excel match the work that these 6 people, whatever the force have been applied by the 6 people, but more work have been done, but the gain, this anchor has been uplifted little. Moreover, more energy have been applied by these 6 people. So where the rest of the work, rest of the energy has been wasted. Yeah, this is the manual system. At the time of lifting anchor, there is a chain system. The chain is getting friction over the board. In this way, the friction. So through the, I'm just giving the main answer. Friction, through the friction, and after friction, temperature is being created. Second problem, temperature is being created. So friction, temperature, on this issue, the energy is being lost. I'm not writing linguistic answer. I'm just giving the main theme of the case study. How this 6 person is trying hard for uplifting this anchor. But the problem, some energy is being lost because of the smoothness, rough system of the lifting anchor. This anchor is being uplifted, and here there is a friction and temperature making this both case. This both case is being dedicated, and that's why these 6 people energy is being lost. So this is the answer of the question number 3. So in total, in conclusion, I would tell that you always try to go to the question point first. Undoubtedly, your imagination need to be activated, because if you don't have imagination at the time of solving question, you cannot solve. Because after reading 1 or 2 times this question, what has been told, these 6 people is working hard, but this work is comparatively the work that are being given, the achievement is little. So where is the rest of the energy being lost? So this is the answer. You need imagination. You need go to the particular question. You should power of data extraction power. For solving this question, which data need to be exerted, which data need to be extracted. So your first duty is understanding question, second duty is extracting data, and third duty calculation. Am I clear? First duty understanding question, second duty extracting data, third duty calculating, fourth duty unit writing. I mean, you have to write the Newton meter. You have to write the joule, otherwise answer is wrong. So these are the four particular system. Thank you very much.